Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to use Google Meet on your laptop. Google Meet is a video conferencing platform that allows you to connect with others remotely. To get started, ensure you have a Google account and a stable internet connection. First, open a web browser on your laptop and navigate to the Google Meet website. You can do this by typing meet.google.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, click on the Join or Start a Meeting button. If you have been invited to a meeting, enter the meeting code provided by the host if you are the host. Click on the Start a Meeting button and a meeting code will be generated. Next, you will be prompted to allow Google Meet to access your camera and microphone. Click on the Allow button to grant permission. This will enable you to participate in video and audio discussions during the meeting. Now, you will see a preview of your video feed. You can adjust your camera and microphone settings as needed. You can also test your audio and video by clicking on the settings icon and selecting the Test Audio and Video option. To invite others to join the meeting, click on the Add People button and enter their email addresses or meeting code. You can also share the meeting link or code with them directly. During the meeting, you can use the control panel to mute or unmute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, and share your screen with others. To share your screen, click on the Present Now button and select the screen or window you want to share. Finally, to end the meeting, click on the End Call button. This will disconnect all participants from the meeting. As the host, you can also remove participants from the meeting by clicking on the three dots next to their name and selecting Remove. By following these steps, you can easily use Google Meet on your laptop to connect with others remotely. Remember to always test your audio and video before the meeting to ensure a smooth and successful experience.